I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace a Honda Civic front bumper. First, let's gather our tools. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, a ratchet with 10mm and 12mm sockets, and a trim removal tool. Having a clean, well-lit area is crucial for safety and efficiency. This guide will help you complete the job smoothly, saving you time and money on professional installation. Let's get started with the preparation steps. Now, let's tackle removing the old bumper. Begin by locating and removing all the plastic clips and screws that hold the bumper to the fender liners and undercarriage. There are typically about 10 to 15 clips and several screws. Next, gently pull the bumper away from the vehicle, starting from the wheel wells, to release it from the mounting points near the headlights and grille. Remember to disconnect any fog light electrical connectors before completely pulling the bumper free. With the old bumper off, it's time to prepare your new one. First, carefully inspect the new bumper for any potential damage from shipping. Next, you'll need to transfer components such as the grille, fog lights, or any trim pieces from your old bumper to the new one. This usually involves unscrewing or unclipping them. Make sure all the mounting tabs and holes on the new bumper are clean and unobstructed, ready for a perfect fit onto your vehicle. Finally, let's install your new front bumper. Carefully align the new bumper with the vehicle's mounting points, starting from the sides near the fenders. Gently push it into place, ensuring all tabs click securely. Reconnect any fog light wiring harnesses you disconnected earlier. Then, reinsert all the screws and plastic clips you removed, making sure everything is tight and secure. Give the bumper a final visual check to ensure it's perfectly aligned and flush with the body panels.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.